Hello guys, what's going on here? We are in for a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a Google Drive unlimited storage. So we'll continue the trick after the intro. Okay guys, so we are back, and in this video, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to get a Google Drive unlimited storage. So the storage is going to be somehow something like a shared drive. In your shared drive, we're going to create a shared drive for free, and from that shared drive you're going to be able to store any of your files. Yes, and the files you're going to be storing there, you're going to store your private files. You store files which you can access at any time, and make sure the files are not confidential. So the link to the website will be given in the video description. So once you open you come to your browser, you put the link in the description, you get it from the description, and from here you will see the website is going to look like this. Okay guys, you might be asking yourself why I've masked up the link. So that's just because of some security reasons. It is the privacy of the website, guys. So for it to be, if the site goes to expose, it's going to be blocked and the chip won't be passing anymore. So that's why I preserve the website. Most of us preserve the website, so the trick is still going to last. So once you open the site, you come on to the main page, which is here, and then you put in the name of your drive. Let me start it back. Okay, so you put in your shared drive name right here. So before doing any name, come to my drive and show you I don't have any shared drive. Let me reload. Okay, you see I don't have any shared drive. There's nothing. I don't have any shared drive, and my drive is literally empty. It's a new account. Okay, so I'll come here. Here is where I'm going to put the drive name. So let me put something like this. And for the Gmail address, make sure you put the Gmail where you want the shared drive to be installed. So you put the Gmail address and paste mine. And for the next step, you choose the first option, which is City College of San Francisco. It is a shared drive offer from an edu mail, so it's going to last for long. So you click on it on City College of San Francisco. I need to verify that you are a human, so you click on this little box right here. Okay, let me see what they ask. Okay, they asked me to verify for bike in the image, so let me verify this real quick. Okay, so once you verify, you click on get. And you wait. It's going to says okay. So as you see here, it has said okay. So the browser alerts you a message with okay before you know it has been installed. So it says it alerts this message before you can quit from here, and then you come to your drive. So let me reload the page. Okay, so now you can see it's a shared drive. That shared drives here. So you see this is the storage. This is the one I created, which was M storage. You open it. Okay, here now you can drop and drop files. You can drop and drop files of any sizes. So let me drop something. Okay, so let me drop this one, which is very heavy. Okay, let me drop this. As you see, it is uploading. So that's because the file is really heavy. So um one thing I got to mention for those that don't really know what shared drives are is this shared drive, anything you upload there won't be consumed in your local drive, in your main drive, which is this one. So let me cancel this, upload something that's lighter. Okay, let me say this one. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, the files you're going to upload here won't be sent in your main drive, which is this one. So this one is a shared drive, and in this shared drive is where anybody can access. You can easily copy the link and send to someone. The person will need your authorization to get the file. That's why I say you upload files which are not confidential. So you upload files like you can upload your let me say your movies, your games and all the like. And the other thing, one thing with it is you are a manager. As you see here, I'm a manager. So when you get this, you'll be a manager equally. And okay, if you wish to remove the drive, if you see you don't want the shared drive anymore and you wish to remove it, the simple way you can do this is you come on here, you make sure you clean all your space. You come on here and click on manage members, and you click here on manager, and you scroll down. So you see remove, you click on remove, you continue with save, and you'll be prompted a message. This will change your permission. You won't be able to share. So the share is in the shared drive. So once I'll click yes, I'll be removed from the shared drive. Okay, so let me reload the page real quick. Okay, you see the shared drive has gone, it's no longer there. So with that shared drive trick, many people usually call it as a team drive. Yes, it's a team drive, it's team drive, and from there, from the name you easily know the team. So it means not only you alone can access the files you upload there, you can upload files there and share the link with others, and that's what many hosted sites are doing, like these game sites, all those stuff are doing with their files. So that's actually how you can go through this trick. So guys, I hope you like the video. Give us a thumbs up and share, also subscribe. Don't forget to follow on Instagram equally. I'll be making some giveaway right there, so you make sure you follow on Instagram and share this trick with others. And remember, you keep the site identity for yourself and private, but you can share the trick if you want to upload it elsewhere. You make sure you mark the link equally, and this also for some security purposes of YouTube. So I hope you love the tutorial, guys. See you in the next one. Thumbs up.